Kung hindi mo naintindihan, ulitin mo lang. So yan guys, pabaklasin na natin to guys. Hindi, ito ng barugan para turbol yun. Okay. Uy. Huwag din pa pala. Umulong na kung natangog na. Hindi ka na. Okay kayo. Okay. So ayan yung ano guys, mixture. Ayan guys, tanggalan natin yung block guys. Napakagandang condition ba guys. So ayan, yung piston niya guys, goods. So ayan, kontra niya, wala, goods talaga. Ayan. So i-port natin ito guys, port natin dito din, port dito, tsaka dito sa ilalim para lumakas siya, tsaka dito. So let's go. So turuan ko kayo paano ito gawin guys. So ayan guys, tatanggalin natin yun siya konti. We're gonna remove that, some of that there. So markahan natin kung saan tayo kukuha para maximum vacuum tayo. So there are many ways to make your engine faster and stronger, but this is the basic guys. Oh wait lang, sorry. The two-stroke. Yeah, you can see that. This is the bottom, this is the top, and this is the two-stroke. And one down, up, down, bam, 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 bam. Wait lang. Isang sagga, bang, down, bam, 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 bam. Ganyan yung two-stroke guys. So how to make it faster? Alright. So there are two ways to make your engine faster and stronger, motherfucker. Ito yung unang gagawin nyo lang is to make this one because the two-stroke has two compression. One is the crank compression, means you're gonna compress the crankcase, that forcing the fuel and air mixture up in the chamber like that. You see this like that, motherfucker, like that. Okay. That's the number one compression. The two compression is the combustion compression. That's the second compression. When it goes down, bam, you open the exhaust port, go out, blah, 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 then go inside the other one, blah, blah, blah. Then the pipe, when you see the motherfucker like a intestine tinahin ng tao, yan yung purpose na hindi lahat ng mixture lalabas, babalik konti para i-combust na naman. Yes. Ito. Bam bam bam. Isang ka bam 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 bam. The more na mas high compression yung ilalim, the more the air will gonna force much more mixture in the chamber. Tapos palakyan mo lang yung port dito, tsaka dito. More exit, more power band. You can make more power at high RPM. Yeah, I promise you that, motherfuckers. So yan, is the basic simple principles yan, the two cycle. Two compression. So how do we make it stronger? The number one is make this one like yung ginagamit na full volume yung crankshaft. So to make this one full volume para the clearance inside is gonna be smaller to force the air out in the chamber. The number two is port and you're gonna reface here also. You're gonna reface the head and the block to make it high compression in the second stroke. Yes. You understand? Read that again. Ulitin mo yung video. Kung hindi mo naintindihan, ulitin mo lang. First, we're gonna do, because we're not going to overhaul the engine, we're just going to port this one and reface the head. Yes, because sir has very low budget. So iko. Or you can do the piston also. put some material here para mag-compress siya dito. So yan yung importante guys. Dalawang option tayo. The crank, the piston, or the port, or even this one, reface. Basta yung gagawin natin port at saka reface. Then mamaya na lang itong ano, secret weapon natin. Don't you worry. More high comb tayo. So ayan yung port niya guys. Ayan. So maliit lang yung kinuha natin guys. Ayan. So medyo madumi lang siya guys kasi madumi yung kamay natin. Pero ayan, kita nyo naman yung port guys. So linisan na lang natin yan guys. So maliit lang yung kinuha natin para may low end pa rin. So ayan, yung nasa na yung piston. Okay, yung piston. Goods na yan. Pasok tayo dito. Pasok tayo dyan. Inisan ko lang muna. Yan. Goods na yan. So, touring lang po ito. Yan. Sa taas. Dito. Dyan. Okay. Linisan na lang. So ayan guys, papandar na natin guys. Tingnan natin kung gagana ba. Flyby ng DT. Malakas! Success guys! Success yung port natin. Ayos! So let's go! 2-stroke power! Wing wing! Okay kayo eh. Trail ba? Di, labi ko dre. Sarting ka diya. Okay. Bago naming rider guys, ayan. Wala na. Saan mo na ay? Backing side. Tanaw side mirror. malakas na siya guys, goods na. So ready na ibalik sa owner guys. So, ayun, meron pa oh. Atayaw ki ngayon. Mga boss, gusto mo manalo ng libreng cams? Click mo lang yung link down below at mag-register ka sa PH Ruby guys. Itong bagong platform natin guys. So ayan guys, so ito yung lumabas pag nag-click mo na yung link. So ayan, mag-register ka lang dito. Ayan, pagkatapos mo mag-register. So ayan guys, pag natapos ka na mag-register guys, ito na yung lalabas. So pwede ka na maglaro. So mag-cash in ka na lang dyan, tapos maglaro ka. Tapos yung lalaroin ko palagi is itong Super Ace talaga. Dito talaga ako pumapaldo. Yung sikreto ko dito guys, pag pumaldo ka na guys, stop ka na. Bukas na naman, ganyan yung sikreto. Tapos pag pumaldo ka naman bukas, stop, bukas na naman ulit. Yan yung sikreto guys. Kaya huwag kang mag-rush ng rush. Gamitan mo ito. Ayan. Tignan mo guys. Ito yung strategy ko. Tignan nyo. Ayan. So yan yung strategy ko guys. May bonus tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan. Scatter. Ah! Manina. Okay. 300. Yun, 200. 500. 1,000. 2,000. Ayan guys, tignan mo yung paldo natin guys. 20,000. So diba, ganyan lang simple lang. So tapos na ako So pumaldo na ako guys. Stop na. Ganyan lang simple. Bukas na naman, ulitin mo, proseso.